performing tonight
Big
at
night.
the, whatever the name of this place is.
The New Movement Theater.
Oh, yeah. We got to talk to Elizabeth, Justin. That was nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, very nice. I asked how long you've been in town. She said since 2003. That's hard to believe. That's a long time. That's 8
Yeah.
years. Wow.
I've been here since 2000.
Oh, have you? 11 years you've been here?
Well, I came back, but I moved here for good in 2002.
Wow.
September 2002.
Where have all those years gone? I don't know.
I don't know.
It's tough.
10 years.
So have you got your performance kind of narrowed down a little bit what you're going to do?
Yeah, I think we know basically how we're going to do it.
Okay, well, we'll be interested to see.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.